Introducing the Hogan Bettinardi Bhb2-Xa putter, a masterpiece of precision engineering and exquisite craftsmanship. Let me take you on a journey through the sheer brilliance of this remarkable golfing tool. First and foremost, let's talk about performance. The Bhb2-Xa is a putting marvel designed to enhance your game from the very first stroke. With its carefully calibrated weight distribution and optimal balance, this putter offers unparalleled stability and control on the green. Every putt feels smooth and effortless, allowing you to sink those crucial shots with confidence. But it's not just about performance. The Bhb2-Xa is a work of art in its own right. Crafted by the renowned artisans at Bettinardi, this putter exudes elegance and sophistication from every angle. The attention to detail is simply breathtaking, from the precision-milled face to the stunning satin finish. It's a putter that demands attention and commands respect on the course. And let's not forget about feel. The Bhb2-Xa delivers a sublime sensation with every putt, thanks to its soft yet responsive feedback. The combination of high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship ensures that each stroke is met with a satisfying click that resonates through your hands and soul. Now let's talk about versatility. The Bhb2-Xa is not just a one-trick pony, it's a putter that adapts to your unique putting style and preferences. Whether you prefer a straight-back, straight-through stroke or a more arced motion, this putter provides the forgiveness and consistency you need to excel on the green. It's like having a custom-built putter tailored specifically to your game. And let's not forget about the aesthetics. The Bhb2-Xa is a thing of beauty with its sleek lines and minimalist design. It's the kind of putter that turns heads on the course and elicits envy from your fellow golfers. And with its timeless design, it's a putter that you'll be proud to own and display for years to come.